Today I'm in The Hague and I'm going to go by, so to speak, the Houses of Parliament.
We are here.
It's my second time in The Hague.
Yes.
So, this is the Binnenhof, so the Houses of Parliament. The Houses of Parliament, Binnenhof, in this area. Last time I came here, it was a very rainy day, so viewing anything was a bit difficult, quite difficult. Let's see how we can safely cross the road. The zebra is a bit in a funny state. Well, let's see who I can. The zebra is actually closed and people are crossing from over there. Yeah. If you cross here, you end up in the bike lane, which is never a good idea. I'll cross and see you on the other side. And here you can also have a herring, which is a nice snack. Understood, not everyone will enjoy that. That's a good thing to try. Okay, right now I won't be having it, perhaps later on or in Utrecht. So now let's walk to the Parliament. That's King William II. Fountain. What a nice tram going to Delft. Check out all the flags. I think these are the flags of the localities, basically. Gelato, some are calling it. Let's keep walking. Ice cream seller. Italian's ice. You can buy Italian ice cream. Gelato, some are calling it. I mean, gelato used to mean ice cream in Italian. It didn't mean a different form of an ice cream. Kwartier Den Haag. Hashtag Den Haag. Binnenhof. Hashtag this is the Hague. Hashtag Museum Kwartier Den Haag. Hashtag Den Blow. The Hague hashtags. This is an artistic installation, I think.
Ja, ja. En dat...
Very nice. Very nice buildings. There's a statue there. So those are the houses of Parliament. Binnenhof. Now we go to walk around over there. Some more installations. I think I was here last time 5 years ago. The installations were not there. I think these are temporary. More installations here. Flowers. Some art. An artist is painting. Good day. Perhaps you can buy his paintings also. YouTube Keys Halloween. Hello. Right. Good day. You can find him on YouTube. Kwesalewijn. Okay, so presumably you'll be able to buy any paintings if you are interested. There's Van Gogh there. This impression of Van Gogh's self-portrait. I saw it a couple of days ago, and well, that is a nice thing to have if you enjoy it. 1978. But then the flowers and the hat, I think they are of Ukraine. I don't know if there is a connection with Ukraine. Let me research it later on. Meanwhile, there's another installation here. Hashtag this is the Hague. This is the Hague. This is the real The Hague. Yes, I think The Hague is worth visiting. There's more to see. There are museums also. Of course, it depends upon your time. A lot of people come here from Malta, at least on a tour, and they come here on a day trip. So they see this area basically, and that's it.
We are here.
It's my second time in The Hague. So
We are here. You can get in and have a videotape there.
but there's more to The Hague. Takes time, of course, to see more stuff in any city or town. So let's keep exploring. Free city maps and tourist information. Welcome to The Hague.
yourself, eh?
Hello, I'm making a YouTube video about The Hague. Do you have a free map I can take also for
Oh,
me?
you can take a map,
Okay.
of course.
Thank you very
I
much.
thought you wanted to
Okay.
photograph us.
I'll just tell people that they can get a free map from here. You are here always.
We are the free maps. We are the free maps.
Thank you very much. Thank you well. It's okay. Okay. So these are the houses of parliament, right?
Yes,
over
yes,
there.
yes, we are here.
It's my second time in The Hague.
Yes,
So
we are here. You can get in and have a videotape there, but you
Okay.
cannot walk through.
oh, okay, okay.
It stops there.
Uh-huh,
Where are you
uh-huh.
from, by the way?
Malta.
Okay.
I've noticed we have a lot of tourists coming from the Netherlands to Malta now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah.
So it's interesting because the plane was packed up actually.
Thanks, okay.
So that's good. It's for
always-
our
always
tourism,
nice.
you know. And I enjoy coming here, it's the other way around. We have a
Well,
beautiful
fun,
country, you
okay.
know, and everything. Culture, you know, museums, everything, you know. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very Bye. Thank you. So very nice people. If you're a tourist or traveling here, you can get a map for free from them. And here we have a museum, for example, you can visit also. It's 15 euros to enter for adults. Historic museum. Okay. The best thing is to plan such visits to museums and book before. I always say that because it seems now to be the normal situation where you have to book in advance. You can't just expect to go in. No. Okay. What a beautiful view. Relaxing, you can sit down on a bench here. Relax. It's not too hot. It's really okay. Just okay, and basically you will have a relaxing time. Because sometimes there's too much rush in life, and it's good to relax a bit also. It's very important to take some time and relax. Spaces for contemporary art, free entrance. So that's another place you can, at least if you would be interested in contemporary art, you will be interested in visiting. As I say, the Netherlands has a lot of culture. You can experience a lot of culture. Okay, some people are not aware of the variety of things you can find in the Netherlands. Okay, so I'm going to just walk around. I'm going to enter. It's going to take too much time. Okay, so now I'm going to go through this gate and basically try to find somewhere to eat something before heading back to my hotel in Voorburg, which is it's a small town in The Hague, very close. So you can also use Uber, you can use buses, trams, etc. So now to end this part of the trip, I'm at this restaurant, Pizzeria by Gusto, Trattoria by Gusto, Ristorante by Gusto. Pizza and beer to go, and I'm having myself a nice little pizza with me. Let's see if I can get you to see the pizza. Okay. Okay, so you can see the pizza. It's a very good pizza. The ingredients are all fresh. They feel fresh. I've already eaten a good part of it. This is the normal size pizza. I can get a larger one. This is the Binnenhof, so the Houses of Parliament. If you've been to the Houses of Parliament, this is just a brief walk. Very good. Good prices and good food. Good service. This is the Binnenhof, so the Houses of Parliament. Majestic Houses of Parliament. It's worth visiting. Quite the experience. You can also enter, which I might do if it's available at some point, if I have enough time. Okay. You can't walk through from here, as he said. Officer of water. So now I'm going to end the video. So it's time to end the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye from The Hague, the Netherlands.